Hi, I'm Amanda with Lace Cosmetics. Due to the recent pandemic, I have been receiving a lot of messages asking how I am ensuring the safety of my clients and what precautions I am taking to make sure that everybody stays safe. This is my #1 priority right now. I want to make sure that you're safe and I want to make sure that I'm safe. So here are the steps that I'm taking with each client to make sure that we can all stay healthy. The first thing I will do is I will always put on a mask before I even get out of my car if I'm meeting with you, or if you come to me, I will have a mask on the entire time. The mask will not come off, and it is to ensure the safety of everybody. Obviously, you can't wear a mask if you're sitting in my chair, so I'm going to do everything I can to make sure that I'm protecting you when we're so close together. I will always have a bag with me that has gloves. I will have a fresh pair of gloves on with each person. If I have multiple people that I am doing makeup on, then I will swap out the gloves in between each client. And that goes for both makeup and for spray tanning. As soon as my client comes in, I will use a thermometer that will be about an inch or two away from their forehead, and I'll be able to take your temperature with this. As long as you don't have a fever, we're good to go. Once you come and sit in my chair, I have a COVID release form that I will have everybody sign. And it doesn't matter if I do your makeup on multiple dates each time, you will sign the release form. As I'm doing makeup, the brushes that I use will be put into a container. They're in my brush belt until they go into the container. But say I'm doing your makeup, and these are all the brushes that I used on your face. As soon as I'm done with you, if I'm putting makeup on somebody else, these brushes will all be transferred out of here and put into a separate container, and these will not be touched until I can get home and properly sanitize them. I try to keep enough brushes on hand so that each brush will only touch one person, and enough brushes where it'll touch one product as well, so I'm not going back and forth between multiple products and contaminating them. Once I finish your makeup, I have this UV wand which I plug into my battery pack. The wand turns on and I go over all of my makeup very slowly, and the UV light will help kill germs and bacteria to make sure that the makeup is clean for the next person. I will also be using as many disposables as possible, so lip disposables, mascara wand disposables, things like that, so I'm not having to use a lot of brushes on my clients. I'm also cutting the sponges down to a minimum so I don't have to keep reusing sponges. If the sponges do get used, then they are properly sanitized as soon as I get done with my clients. And like I said, as soon as I'm done working with everybody, all the brushes and everything come home with me. Everything gets cleaned really, really well with antibacterial soap, and then I also go over it with my sanitizing wand. I hope this gives you some peace of mind. I'm doing everything that I can to keep everybody safe. I want to stay healthy. I want you to stay healthy. And if you have absolutely any concerns, you can feel free to email me, amanda@lacecosmetics.com. Contact me anytime, and I'm happy to answer any questions that you may have about it. These are unprecedented times. Everything's a little scary right now. We're all navigating the waters together, but I'm sure we will get past this sooner than later. Thank you for watching. I hope to see you all very soon. I hope I have the opportunity to do your makeup or your spray tan. Stay safe and healthy, and I will see you next time.